guys, before we get started with this video, if you can just like and subscribe, and I can have more videos coming this way. Thank you. Good morning, good morning. Hope everyone's having a good week so far. Today is Wednesday, December 6th, 2023. Yeah, so let's get into it. What I'm looking at today for pre-market, let's start with the ES. ES, we had some economic news this morning with non-farm employment and excuse me, the ADP, as well as import exports. Everything looks like it was right on cue and a little bit better than expected. So it is looking like we are wanting to be a little bullish. So some levels that I'm looking at for the ES is up here at this 4605 area, 4604, and up to 4608. Looking for a short up there. The stop out is pretty going to be easy. Obviously looks like pretty much above 4610 would be my cue. But I'm looking at more of longs, just due to the fact that we are bullish. So a level that I'm looking at is if we do go up to 4600 up there, it's going to be down here at this what is this right here, around the 4582 area for a long, as well as the 4572 area. If we get stuffed here at this 4596, I'm looking to go long down at the 4571 area. So that's with ES is what I'm looking at, and obviously if we go higher, it'll be more intraday plays. NQ now. This was an area of interest, what I was looking at, but it came into pre-market, so I'm not really too interested in taking this pre-market, especially if we're green. So I'm looking for more of catching the long. So I'm looking at around, to be honest with you, for the short side, I'm looking at if it wants to just shoot up to about 1670 area, up to the 1690 area, I'll be interested in a short up there to take it back down with a stop out, just a little bit above the 16100 area. And for a long, I'm looking at, like I said, it depends. If we shoot up to this over 1660, then I'll be looking at for a long around the 15990. But if we get stuffed around this area, then I'm looking for a long around the 15940 area, as well as down at the 15870 area. All right. So we'll see. Those are my plans for today. So we'll see what happens. To take it here, let me see at 945 for a long.
Order filled.
Oh well. Dang it! I forgot my order on NASDAQ. Okay. So I'll still have the same play, guys. NASDAQ. I'm at 945. If it goes underneath, it looks like 930. I'll be out. Okay, so I got my stop at 928. Is my stop. I don't like how it's not really bouncing off this area. Like I said, if I get stopped out, it's a very small loss. Let's see if we can go above this 61 area from yesterday's high, and hold it. There we go. Okay. 85. All right, I'm gonna have a break-even stop now, guys. Here at 45. Break-even stop. Alright, let's see. I'm going to see if I can take one off at 65 for 25 points, or 20 points. But it's struggling getting over this 62 area, so I might just cut it. But we'll see. Like I said, I have a break-even stop. But it's looking weak. Yeah. Let's see here. I might get stopped out on this one, guys. I was up about 20 points, but like I said, I wanted a little bit higher. It's looking like it got stuffed right there. So if anything, I'll just get in another trade. So it's always good to protect yourself.
Stop field.
There it is. Alright, well, it is what it is. Let's see what happens. Guys, I'm about to get into NASDAQ here. Let's see if I can get in. 31. I'm going to have a small stop.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in 930. My stop is literally going to be underneath here at, what is this, 915. So, I just want to see if it holds this area. It's got to hold 940 this next 6 minutes, I would say. There we go, baby. Let's go. Alright, guys. I have a break-even order now for this at 9:30. Like I said, I almost got stopped out. Alright, guys. For this NQ, around 980, I'll get rid of it for plus 50 points. Like I said, it would be a shame if we're up 25 points again and it comes back down and stops me out. But like I said, that's part of trading because I don't know how far this thing can go, but I know how much I'm willing to lose on this trade. And now it's pretty much a scratch trade. I'm up 25 points, $500. I can lock it in, but like I said, this has a possibility to go higher. The only thing is, I think that if it doesn't clear this 960 area within the next 2 minutes, there's a good possibility that I think it comes back down. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's stuck right now at yesterday's high. Like I said, if it doesn't clear this, more than likely, I'll take the position off and just, take a small win right now. Like I said, I only bought in with one lot in this trade just because it was a little bit too 50-50, but we'll see. You know what, guys? I'm not going to be a dick for... if I get 40 points, I get 40 points, It just touched 70, but I didn't get filled. Like I said, if I had another contract, I would still be, see what would happen. But this area hasn't really, it's been kind of a cutoff area right now, but we'll see. I'm going to see if I can get 40 points. If not, I'll lock in 20 points.
Order filled.
Alright, there it is. Boom. Alright, guys. I just got out of NASDAQ right there at 970 for 40 points. Like I said, if it goes higher, it is what it is. I'll look for more trades. Like I said, my area was going to be 80, but this area right here is a pretty strong, it's a lot of consolidation, from overnight session. So I'm just going to take my 40 points and move on to another trade. Alright guys, that's it for me. I just had 2 trades, one break-even trade and then another one for 40 points, so total of $800. So solid day today. Thanks for watching. Take care.